Little storyteller.
The sun smiled down on Sunnyville, where the Sparkle River usually shimmered like a ribbon of blue. One sunny morning, Lily the fluffy bunny hopped down to the riverbank to wave hello to her friend Finny the friendly fish. But today the river wasn't blue. It was a warm, creamy brown, just like Lily's favorite drink, Teh Tarik. "Wow," said Lily, her nose twitching. Finny poked his head out of the brown water. "It smells sweet," he giggled, taking a little sip. All over Sunnyville, the animals and people were looking at the brown river in surprise. Barnaby Bear scratched his head. Penelope Penguin waddled to the edge, her eyes wide. What could have happened? Upstream, near the Whispering Woods, was a little tea factory owned by Mr. Boba. Mr. Boba loved making tasty drinks. Today he was mixing a giant batch of tea, adding milk and sugar with a big bubbly machine. Suddenly, burp! The machine hiccuped, and a giant bubble of frothy Teh Tarik floated out the window and tumbled into the river. Mr. Boba rushed outside, his eyes wide with surprise. He saw the river turning the color of his special drink. He followed the bubbly trail downstream and saw all the curious faces. "Oh dear," he chuckled. "My bubbly machine had a little accident." Everyone giggled, the river looked funny, and it smelled yummy too. Mr. Boba, with the help of Barnaby Bear's strong arms and Penelope Penguin's clever ideas, quickly fixed his bubbly machine. Soon no more Teh Tarik flowed into the river. The sun helped dry up the extra tea on the riverbanks. The next day, the Sparkle River was sparkling blue again. Lily hopped down and saw Finny swimming happily. Mr. Boba came with a big tray of yummy Teh Tarik for everyone to enjoy, made with his fixed machine. They all sat by the clean blue river, sipping the sweet drink and laughing about the day the river turned brown. As they enjoyed their drinks, Mr. Boba shared a fun fact. "Did you know that the Tarik in Teh Tarik means pulled? We pour it back and forth to make it frothy." Everyone thought that was very interesting. Sharing the Teh Tarik and learning something new made it an even more wonderful day in Sunnyville.
Please subscribe. Thank you.